In this video, I will share you tips to make money from Google AdSense. First, what is Google AdSense? Google AdSense is a service from Google company. Now, three type of websites to generate high income from Google AdSense. Before we start our video, don't forget to subscribe and click the like button. Let's see more comments. Let us go to our video. Okay, let's start our video. Three type of websites that have a quality AdSense revenue. Let's see together. Site number one is a blog site. A blog site is a place we publish articles, and an example, click here to see a blog site example daily dots. Let's see together. Wait a little. Okay, you see this type of website with Google AdSense. Number two is a forum site. Let's see together. Site number two is a forum site. Let's open this link. You see cut forum. This is type of website. You get high revenue from Google AdSense. Site number three is free online tool sites. Let's see this type of website, free online tool site. Let's click here. This site is an example for a free online tool site. You can see here a GIF maker website. The next step is to get approval from Google AdSense. Go to HSuperTool. Click here. Login. Okay, go to website tools. Let's generate terms and condition and the privacy policy for our website to get approval for Google AdSense. Let's see together. Go to a website tools, privacy policy generator. Name of your website and your URL website. For example, BBC, BBC. For example, bbc.com. This is a URL. Generate privacy policy. You see HTML version. You can use this HTML version and paste it inside your website. Otherwise, you can copy this text to your website. Another example is terms and the condition. Write your website name, for example, BBC. Here, bbc.com. URL address. Generates. You see, generate terms and the condition for our website. This is HTML version, the same as privacy policy. You can drag this text and paste inside your website. The next tip is how to get free keywords from Google. Go to Google, write your any keywords. For example, affiliate marketing. Don't press any key. Let's see the long tail keywords from Google. You see long tail keywords. You can use this for your blog article and for YouTube video. The next tips is go to Google, write Ahref free keyword generator. Write here a keyword email marketing. Let's find keyword. You see a list of keywords, volume, per monthly, updates. You see a list of keywords. You can use these keywords for your YouTube video and for your blog article. The last tips is how to get high CPC keywords. You know, high CPC keyword means cost per click. It is high income from CPC keywords. Let's show you when you make a video or articles with your these keywords, you get more money from Google AdSense. Let's show you. Go to HSuperTool. I'm signing already. Go to discover high CPC keyword. Click here. Okay, you see a list of high CPC keywords. For example, Google Ad. If you make articles or video with this keyword, you get 500 CPC from Google AdSense. Search volume is 90,500 search volume monthly. Last update is the date updated from Google and from YouTube keywords. You see, you can use these keywords. It is very helpful to grow your YouTube and to make high money from Google AdSense. I hope this video help you. If you are not subscribed, subscribe, follow me and comment my video. See you later.